don't wait, let's hit the gas and go. The night has just begun. If at the end I find regret, don't let my soul be drained with nothing left. The days they run away, and the heart it hardens, and the heart it closes. Just take my breath away. All I've known is failure. Still you pull me close and say, hey! It is currently Saturday, August 26th. Today's supposedly Hurricane Harvey is supposed to hit. Just started raining hard outside. Right here in this neighborhood that I live in, it always gets floods most of the time when it rains hard. Let's see what's outside. Really strong winds. It's 8 a.m. Family's asleep. No signs of life out there. Okay, so the first mission of the day, we have a stray cat out here. We're gonna try and get him out of there. See if he's willing to come with us. Hey buddy, come on. Where you at, Papa? Come here. Outside's getting even more flooded. Little buddy finally decided to come on. Come on, Bubba. Come here. At least right now he's in a safety place. And the water still hasn't reached over here, so at least he's safe right now. Let's see what we got going on this side. I think we still got light over here. Update, it's currently like 11 o'clock. Let's see what we got going on outside. I can hear like a frog or something. I don't know what it is, but I hear it. Oh, hi buddy! Update, King Kong is right here. Always looking out for the little guys. currently day 2 of Harvey, and
you call me out.
my baby girl, she's right there chilling. See an old friend over there, Carlos. My friend Pupusas. Haven't seen my neighbor. Maybe he evacuated.
Out upon the waters, the great unknown, where feet may fail, and there I find you in the mystery, in oceans deep, my faith will.
Okay, we're here at the local Stripes. At least this is still on. Gotta check what's still available. Really slippery here. No burritos left. No burritos. See? Motor light is on. For all that water. ¿Ya está la botana o qué?
Al mal tiempo, buena cara, pechacha.
¿Sabes?
Ahora que se sienta a Martín.
And I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul